Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Today what we are going to see is how can you just download one app called Equinix, and for this one you can create your dynamic wallpapers. Basically what you have to do to create a dynamic looking wallpaper for day and night is like you have to just go into this app called Recraft AI. So this is the app which I'm talking about. Here, if you can go here and click on the project, I will show you how to create this one with Recreate AI. Just click at create a new project, and then you have to go into this. There are four option comes like you will generate images, single image and two image, frame, image set of six pictures, or a mockup. So basically if you want to try to build up a six image set, you can do it with this app also, and you can create a good looking dynamic wallpaper. So let's get started and do something with that. So I will click on six image. Now there is four options here, like recraft raw images, photorealism, vector art, and illustration. So vector art is the most minimalistic and accurate set of images you can generate with this one, and you just have to check this with the 16:9 ratio, because your wallpaper will be looking in this range, in this resolution aspect ratio. And for this one basically you have to go into DeepSeek. Basically DeepSeek, as you know, is a very good app, latest AI model, where you can generate a prompt for to create this six images of wallpaper. So let me ask DeepSeek. Hi DeepSeek, based on six images set for Recraft AI, please generate a prompt for creating a dynamic wallpaper which changes through throughout the day, from morning to night. It will be it will be a vector art and minimalism minimalist wallpaper. So just I will enter this, and then it will generate me, DeepSeek will generate me a good prompt for this wallpaper to be created. So let him analyze this prompt, and as you can see there are six prompts I can put here, one by one. So now what DeepSeek is doing is getting this done. So this is the prompt: dawn, morning, midday, afternoon, dusk, and night. So here it is, uh, and this will be, let me put one by one. So first of all I will put the dawn. Copy this prompt, come to your Recraft AI, put down this prompt, remove the one from here, and put another prompt, this second one, and just put this here, remove the second two, and copy the other part, third one, midday, and just copy and paste it here. Remove the three option. Just go to the fourth prompt, afternoon. Put this in here. I have to put afternoon as well because it will understand what is it is generating. So I will put afternoon, and then I will put the dusk. Copy and just go to this one, and the last one is the night, and I will put this here. Okay, then what I will do, just I will create on Recraft. Now it is generating me all the images for me, and I will wait for some time, and then it will give me all the images one by one. So let us wait for some time. It will not take so much time. It will create in a quick way, basically. So here it is. So if you can see here, all of this they have generated one by one. What I have to do, I just have to uh, save this in a good resolution like 4K or something. Save it. It will save. Then click on the second one, export. Same thing, 4K resolution. And then there's this one also. No, I will give this one. This is the first one. Click on the JPG, and this one will be the last one. So all the things have been downloaded here. Now what I will do, I will go to this app called Equinix, and I will select the time base appearance basically, and just on that one I will get time. I will browse the images one by one, take all the images from here, and this one, and this one, this one, this one, a 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these are the 6 images I have generated. I will put it here one by one. I have to align with this one, like from the morning, early morning, 12 a.m. in the morning. It will be like so you can see the sun where it is setting, like the sun is setting, the night is upcoming, the sun is rising basically in the morning, it is setting at afternoon. So it is not just accurate basically. So what I will do, just I will create this one and some of the images here, like, so what I will do, I will save this as a wallpaper and download, and all is this has been set up like this, full screen. Like this one, you can generate a dynamic looking wallpapers with this website, Recraft AI, and you can generate the prompt from DeepSeek. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.